Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? What if I revealed the game changing secrets I secretly discovered? Would you dare to listen? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over the mindset of the wealthy, investing wisely, and more. The journey of the rich to financial success is often filled with intriguing strategies and insights that can inspire anyone looking to improve their financial situation. In this video, we'll dive into the wealth building tactics employed by the affluent, revealing the secrets behind their financial triumphs. From smart investments and entrepreneurial ventures to strategic networking and continuous learning, these strategies are not just for the elite. They can be adapted by anyone willing to put in the effort. Understanding how the rich became rich is crucial for personal financial growth. By examining their approaches, you can uncover valuable lessons that can be applied to your own life. Whether it's learning the importance of diversifying your income streams or recognizing the power of financial literacy, these insights can pave the way for your own success. So, stick around as we explore the fascinating world of wealth creation and discover how you can start your journey toward financial independence today. The mindset of the wealthy. What sets the wealthy apart from the average person often boils down to their unique mindset and attitudes. One of the most significant traits of successful individuals is their growth mindset. They believe that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This perspective fosters resilience, allowing them to bounce back from setbacks and view challenges as opportunities for growth. Moreover, wealthy individuals tend to embrace failure rather than fear it. They understand that each misstep is a valuable lesson that brings them closer to their goals. This attitude transforms obstacles into stepping stones, enabling them to refine their strategies and ultimately achieve success. Goal setting and visualization also play crucial roles in the mindset of the wealthy. By clearly defining their objectives and visualizing their success, they create a roadmap that guides their actions. This practice not only keeps them motivated, but also helps them maintain focus on their long-term vision. In essence, adopting a wealthy mindset can be the first step toward transforming your financial future, empowering you to take control of your wealth building journey. Investing wisely. When it comes to growing wealth, the strategies employed by the wealthy often revolve around smart and diversified investments. One of the key principles they follow is diversification, which involves spreading investments across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. This approach minimizes risk and maximizes potential returns, ensuring that a downturn in one area doesn't derail overall financial health. Another important aspect of wealth accumulation is the focus on long-term investing rather than chasing short-term gains. Wealthy individuals understand that building substantial wealth takes time and patience. They often invest in assets that appreciate over the years, allowing compound interest to work in their favor. Real estate is a prime example of a wealth building tool, providing both rental income and long-term appreciation. Stocks and mutual funds also offer opportunities for growth, allowing investors to benefit from the overall market's upward trajectory. By adopting these investment strategies, the wealthy not only secure their financial future, but also create multiple streams of income, setting the stage for lasting prosperity. Building multiple income streams. One of the hallmarks of the wealthy is their ability to create multiple sources of income, which significantly enhances their financial stability. A key concept in this strategy is passive income, which refers to earnings generated with minimal effort after the initial investment of time or resources. This type of income is crucial for wealth creation as it allows individuals to earn money while focusing on other ventures or enjoying leisure time. Examples of passive income sources include rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, and peer-to-peer lending platforms. Additionally, many wealthy individuals engage in side businesses such as online courses, e-commerce stores, or consulting services, which provide extra cash flow without requiring a full-time commitment. Entrepreneurship and innovation also play vital roles in building wealth. By identifying gaps in the market and creating solutions, successful individuals can establish businesses that not only generate income, but also contribute to their overall financial portfolio. This proactive approach to income generation not only diversifies their earnings, but also fosters resilience against economic fluctuations, ensuring long-term financial security and growth. Networking and relationships. In the journey toward financial success, the role of networking and building relationships cannot be overstated. Connections often lead to valuable opportunities and partnerships that can significantly enhance one's career or business prospects. By engaging with others in your industry or related fields, you open doors to collaborations, referrals, and insights that can propel you forward. Mentorship is another critical aspect of networking. Learning from successful individuals who have already navigated the path you aspire to take can provide invaluable guidance. Mentors can share their experiences, offer advice, and help you avoid common pitfalls, ultimately accelerating your growth and success. Moreover, surrounding yourself with like-minded, ambitious people creates a supportive environment that fosters motivation and innovation. When you engage with individuals who share your goals and drive, you're more likely to stay focused and inspired. This collective energy can lead to brainstorming new ideas, sharing resources, and holding each other accountable. In essence, building a strong network and nurturing relationships is not just about personal gain. It's about creating a community that uplifts and empowers everyone involved on the path to financial achievement. Continuous learning and adaptation. In today's fast-paced world, the importance of lifelong learning and adapting to changing financial landscapes cannot be overstated. The wealthy understand that staying informed about market trends and economic changes is crucial for making sound investment decisions. By keeping a pulse on the financial environment, they can identify opportunities and mitigate risks effectively. Investing in education and skill development is a vital step toward financial success. Whether it's taking courses on personal finance, attending workshops, or reading industry-related books, continuous learning equips you with the knowledge needed to navigate complex financial situations. There are numerous resources available for those eager to enhance their financial literacy. Online platforms like Coursera and Udemy offer courses on investing, budgeting, and wealth management. Podcasts and YouTube channels dedicated to finance can provide insights from experts and real-world experiences. Additionally, subscribing to financial news outlets or following market analysts on social media can help you stay updated on the latest trends. By committing to continuous learning and being adaptable, you position yourself to thrive in an ever-evolving financial landscape, ultimately paving the way for long-term success and wealth accumulation. In conclusion, we've explored several key strategies that contribute to wealth accumulation, including the importance of a growth mindset, wise investing, building multiple income streams, and the power of networking. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in shaping your financial future and can be adapted to fit your unique circumstances. As you reflect on these insights, remember that the real value lies in applying these lessons to your own life. Whether it's diversifying your investments, seeking mentorship, or committing to continuous learning, taking actionable steps is essential for achieving financial success. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more financial insights and tips. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these strategies. Together, we can create a community focused on financial empowerment and growth. Start implementing these strategies today and take charge of your financial journey toward lasting wealth and stability. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.